So this is the highly anticipated Zenbook S14 from Asus. This is launched in India and powered by Intel Core Ultra Series 2 processor. Its global debut had taken place in IFA 2024 and finally it's in India. The Zenbook S14 features 14 inches 3K OLED touchscreen display with 16:10 aspect ratio and 120Hz of refresh rate. As told you, it's powered by Intel Core Ultra 7 processor Series 2 and is combined with Intel Arc graphics. The chipset delivers up to 47 NPU TOPS, promising to boost AI performance. With 32 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and a 1 TB M.2 NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD, the Zenbook S14 promises smooth multitasking and ample storage. The laptop has 72 Wh of battery that supports fast charging, reaching 50% capacity in just 30 minutes. Asus has paid a special attention to the design and durability, like you can see, featuring the Aluminum lid that combines ceramic with aluminium. The keyboard includes two 715 CNC machined vents for optimal cooling, while a 4-speaker system tuned by Arm & Carden delivers premium audio quality. In terms of connectivity, it has Thunderbolt 4 ports, HDMI 2.1, Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.0 support. The laptop also features Full HD camera with IR functionality for Windows Hello. Running on Windows 11 Home, the Zenbook S14 introduces Asus Copilot Plus PC features. It integrates Windows AI and Asus AI applications like the AI Meet Expert panel for an enhanced user experience. The Zenbook S14 is available for pre-order at Rs 1,49,990 for 32 GB and 1 TB model in Zumia Grey through online and offline retail channels. So Asus just launched the Asus Zenbook S14 and we have Anil Su with us, who's the Vice President of Asus India, and he's going to be talking more about this new Zenbook. Anil, welcome to the show. So Asus just launched the Zenbook S14 and I believe this is the new Zenbook with the superior AI. So
Yes.
Tell us what's so special about it.
Yeah, so first and foremost is in the past 6 months, we continue to launch the AI-based machines. And this is the latest Core Ultra Series 2 from Intel. And you can see no matter the power efficiency, performance, and even the way Asus make our Zenbook, we make even lighter. And also we increase the screen size. Earlier we have the Zenbook 13 with 13 inch. Now it's the 14 inch. And we still make it within the 1.2 kg and the thickness is only 1.1 centimeter. So what we want to do is we still want to make the most powerful portable machine, but with the good performance to the customer.
So when we talk about Zenbook, Anil, the first thing that comes to our mind, of course, with the technology is, of course, the design as well.
Yes.
So what's so special this time? Because I see there's, there's nice cuts on the laptop. There's a nice design that's given to us. Even the, the texture that's used for the Zenbook is quite fantastic. If you just elaborate on that.
Yes. So first you can see the machine itself. So one is the weight. So with the 14 inch, we make it with only 1.2 kilogram. And you see the thickness is just 1.1 centimeter. And apart from this, to make the latest Core Ultra to still maintain the 28 watt performance. So what we do is you can see the cutting, CNC cutting here. So here and also even here. So what we do is we make sure the performance will not impact the heat. So with this, the way we are making the thermal and also the way we make this metal body, we make it able to maintain the 28 watt power, and still we will be able to make the heat in the lowest. Yeah.
So when we're talking about the superior AI, would you just tell us more about the AI that's being used in the Zenbook?
So there are lots of functions, but for the AI, Asus as a hardware provider, right? So our job is to make sure we come with the latest machine. But for the AI related, we need to work with all the, like we work with Microsoft. So you will see this come with the Copilot Plus. And also there will be more and more softwares we will come and work with us, and we will make our machine be able to compatible to all the software. Yeah.
Sure. Thanks, Anil. Thanks for speaking to us.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.